Well, following very pleasant and sunny weather for the past couple days, we're unfortunately seeing things become a bit more gloomy and active as we begin to finish on up our final week of March. Clouds start the morning, now even seeing some showers west of I-77. Though as I zoom things out, the bulk of the showers, though, are for parts of southern Indiana down through Kentucky and Tennessee. Still likely to see a couple showers that could strengthen a little bit as it begins to move on east. So expect showers throughout the morning, so make sure you do have an umbrella as you step out the door. Though as we see those start to move on through, we will see the winds start to pick up a bit, likely seeing sustained winds of 15 to 25 miles an hour throughout the afternoon today, even possibly seeing some gusts of up to 40, but really the bulk of our winds will come for this morning and afternoon hours tomorrow. So as we start the morning, 9 a.m., seeing those showers starting to move back into the area, though mainly north of I-70 and west of I-77. Though as it moves east, we start to see it become more widespread, so just expect scattered to widespread, steady showers throughout the late morning and the early afternoon. Still could see a couple moderate pockets here and there, but most of the heavy, though, does remain off to the west by 77. See a couple moderate pockets throughout the afternoon. Otherwise, we see things calm down with just clouds and drizzle likely through the first half of the afternoon, the second half of the afternoon, and the first half of the evening. Though by 9 p.m., seeing a line of showers and even a couple thunderstorms. Notice how we have a couple pockets of pink and purple. This means we could see some heavy downpours, some lightning, and a chance to see some gusty ones on top of those already breezy conditions, especially as we head towards 2 a.m. tomorrow, seeing widespread heavy showers and even more of those pockets of pink and purple. So expect a couple thunderstorms during the overnight hours. So if you get woken up by a rumble of thunder, don't be surprised by that. We see that, though, quickly move on through before we see things clearing out early tomorrow morning. So that could spell some trouble as we head into the afternoon. Not just the chance of winds, but also a couple thunderstorms will be possible as well. Tomorrow morning and the early afternoon, seeing steady winds, even possibly over 30 miles an hour, but mainly 20 to 30, with gusts likely of 50 to 60 miles an hour. Because of that, though, we do have a high wind watch in effect for the Panhandle as well as Pennsylvania. That goes in effect at 8 a.m. tomorrow and lasts until 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. That just means we could see some power outages likely occurring across the area. That's even without anything coming down. That's just like if you have 3 wires that are near your house or go to your house, if those touch, those could cause some power shortages, some surges, and could even cause some power outages. That's without anything even falling on them. So by noon, bad news is, though, cold front with some clear skies could allow a couple stronger thunderstorms to develop, especially between like 1 and 2 p.m. Seeing this line from Erie down through Cranberry, even here in Wheeling, though most of the severe and stronger should be in southwestern Pennsylvania. We quickly see that moving on through. Those are going to be those quick-hitting storms that only last like 10 minutes, but that could be 10 minutes of winds of 50 to 60 minutes for 10 minutes straight. Because of that, Storm Prediction Center has highlighted parts of Pennsylvania and even Hancock and Brooke County in a slight risk for severe thunderstorms. So that's a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, because we could see some of those strong damaging winds as that line moves on through. So those are strong wind gusts over 60 miles an hour already on top of those gusts of 50 to 60. So there's a good chance we'll see widespread power outages throughout the day tomorrow. Good news, though, is we're back to sunshine as we end the weekend and begin next week, with temperatures getting back into the upper 60s, even 70s as we see the return of some showers Tuesday. A couple thunderstorms, 76 for our day on Wednesday, before we're back down to the 60s with some AM showers for our day on Thursday.